I don't think I could have picked the worst position for lighting in the entire house. Kungaloosh, everybody, and how you doing? Today, I am in a remote location. Basically, well, I'm right outside my office. I'm in my kitchen. I got the trash over there. I got the kitchen table right here. Why is it you clean off the dining room table, 2 days later, it's loaded with garbage? There's mail and monitors and napkins from Taco Bell. Why am I saving those? But that's there. I hate being out here. I've got the air conditioner going. I got a fan over here because there's no air movement. So what am I doing today, aside from suffering, apparently? I am doing an unboxing of What If? This is another Marvel Collector's Core edition. Have you guys been watching the show? It's been an interesting series, to say the least. I kind of like it. Last week was Doctor Strange, if he went evil or something like that. What if he had lost his heart instead of his hands? That kind of deal. So let's go ahead, open up the tape, pull off the tape, cut the tape. Yes, this is a kitchen knife because the kitchen is conveniently right there. I almost stabbed myself. I should be a little more careful. Alright, I believe this is a bigger box than the last one I got. So right off the bat, I see... Oh, it's a pin. Oh! I just thought of something. I hope there's not spoilers in this box, because the whole season hasn't aired yet. Well, this isn't a spoiler, unless you haven't seen the show, which, that's on you at this point. It's a pin of the Agent Carter shield. I like this. This is very cool. I like that. I like the little tchotchkes, little collectibles. Alright, so next we got a t-shirt. Oh wow, this is a big design. Okay, we gotta take this out and hold it up. Join us now to victory. Oh, that's super cool. That's her on the, what do they call it? The Hydra Buster? It's a very cool shirt. Alright, what's next? What's next? Not a spoiler because this episode has aired. This is T'Challa Star-Lord. So this is neat. Oh, man. Cool. All right. What's next? Okay, a little description card. I'll go ahead and spoil it for myself just in case, so you guys don't get anything spoiled. No. Okay. Cool. No spoilers for any episodes that haven't aired as of yet, so that's great. All right, so we have 2 Funko Pops in here. And the first one is Post-Apocalyptic Black Widow. It's just her with a pair of her laser batons. It's pretty cool, especially if you're in the Black Widow. Like, who's your favorite Avenger? Let me know down below. I know everybody's got a favorite. No, let's not your favorite Avenger. Who do you think is the most underrated Avenger? Let's do that instead. Tell me below, who's the most underrated? Let's see what the last one is. This one is cool. It's the Collector. Oh, I love the Collector. I love this character more than anything. He is so cool. Oh, man. Too bad it doesn't come with any pods of stuff that he's collected over the years, like Howard the Duck or something. That would be awesome. That's it for the box. We got an empty box, so... But that's very cool. So yeah, 1 pop, 2 pop, sticker, badge or pin, and a really cool shirt. I really like this. This was a great What If box. Alright, some of the other pops you can get are the Captain Carter, the T'Challa Star-Lord, the Hydra Stomper, which looks like an oversized pop, Gamora, Daughter of Thanos, and Doctor Strange Supreme. That's one of the episodes that just aired. So guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. This is a very cool series. I absolutely love this. I'm gonna love to see what they have in store for this this box series going forward. Guys, go ahead, like and subscribe. You know the deal. And then if you would, go ahead and check out my new series, the Black Light Tours, where I go to resorts around the Central Florida area with a black light, and I try to see just how exactly clean they are. I got episode 2 is just about to drop, and I went ahead and this computer's not on a desk, it's on a card table. Oh, and it's raining. Of course it is. But anyway, for the series going forward, I've picked up a couple of more tools. I got an extra set of black lights to help me out with my investigations, including this powerful sucker. That's wicked bright. This is gonna... I'm gonna be able to count the rings of a tree without cutting it down with this sucker. So this is gonna come in handy. Go ahead and check out that series, guys. Keep hitting the thing. And until next time, guys, take care of yourself. Love each other, love yourself, love your friends. Love your dog. Your dog loves you. Give your dog a pet. When was the last time you pet your dog? When?